Basically where the faculties are located. Stand. So today I'll be showing you around the school. I want you to see how Kuban looks like. Hi everyone, my name is Grace. Now you know me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be taking you around my university to give you a glimpse of how it looks like. Stay tuned. I'm currently in the park. The breeze is really good. It might look forest-like, but trust me, it's a really nice place to relax, to take a walk, and enjoy some alone time. This is basically how the hostels at Kuban State Agrarian University look like from the outside. Not all hostels look the same, but this is basically how they look like. Okay, so behind me is one of faculties here at Kuban, the second main building. That's where our registration, the migration office, and other offices are located. That's it for today's campus tour. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be showing you more of the faculties and the areas around the university. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.